What's going on, guys? Jake here. Just checking in with you. Figure I'll show you what we got going on in the bay. 2023 Dodge Charger. Came in, wanted some ambient lighting. So let me show you what we did. So added lights throughout the door trim there. Little light kind of glow down in the cup holder area and in the door handle area. As you can see it on the other door as well. Customer wanted it to go up the center console, so we wanted to do something different than what everybody else has been doing. Everybody else is like wrapping it around the shifter and stuff, but we wanted to do something different than nobody else is doing. So right along the bottom there follows the center console. We also add them kind of across the dash. Same thing. A lot of people go around the instrument cluster here. We wanted to do something different. So ours from the left side carries through all the way to the right side. We feel like that kind of gives it a little bit more factory look rather than just a big circle around the radio and instrument cluster. But to each their own. A customer agreed with us. That's kind of the route he wanted to approach. So as you can see along the bottom of the the top of the glove box there in the center. It's all along the bottom. These are the nice acrylic strips, they're not the tubes. So very flush with the dash and stuff, not all big and bulky. Added some lights in the bottom here, kind of give it that nice ambient glow, along with, it's going to be very hard to see, up underneath there to kind of glow up on the floor. There's one under here at the gas pedal as well, and there's some back, which I know we're not going to be able to see very well. Kind of see the glow up under the rear seats. These are universal kits. We can in a way make them work with any vehicle. Some vehicles work better than others. Some give us a little bit more to work with, but if something like this interests you, stop by, give us a call. We're at Tint World in Baltimore. Give us a call. It's 410-388-0282, or stop by 717 North Point Boulevard, Baltimore, Maryland. Thanks, guys. See ya.